Welcome to the video Vort. This week we have a double parsha, Tazria and Metzora. And the essential theme of these two parshios is Tzara'as, the Metzora, commonly translated as the leper. Parsha begins, Adam ki yiheh be'or b'saro, and a person will find in his skin this rash, whatever it is. Then they'll take it to the Kohen, all the laws will then kick in. But the question is, why does the Torah use here the term Adam, which means a person, rather than the more commonly used word in Tanakh, which is ish, when this thing will happen to a person? Shlomo Gansfried suggests that the word Adam is particularly used here because Adam has no plural form to it. It can only be used in the singular. Ish can be anashim, but Adam, there's no equivalent Adamim. And when we think about Saras, the spiritual cause for this physical malady is Lashon Hara, speaking ill of others. It says Rav Gansfried, when we do that, we are creating a rift between one person and another. Speaking about all of Klal Yisrael, we are now breaking up our people into its constituent parts. If we want to be strong and healthy and be able to fend off other foreign influences and foreign disease, then we have to be strong. We have to be united. Lashon Hara undermines the very singularity and unity of our people. It takes Adam and puts a wedge within the body politic of our people. And so therefore, Adam ki yiheh. It's specifically Adam which is used in order to make the point that by refraining from Lashon Hara, we are strengthening and aiding and abetting the unity and singularity and strength of our people. And when we speak Lashon Hara, we undermine all of that. But there's another layer here. And that layer is the fact that Adam refers to all of humanity. And when a person speaks Lashon Hara, we are undermining our basic humanity. Because what is it that makes us human to begin with? We have the tradition that when God infused us with a soul, and He created Adam Harishon, and He fused Adam with the soul, that is Ruach Memalala. We were given the power and ability of complex communication through speech. We're able to communicate. And so when a person uses that power of speech and corrupts it for Lashon Hara, we are essentially undermining that which makes us human altogether. And of course, creating a split within the family of humanity, which makes us all weaker. This month is the month of Chodesh Iyar. And Iyar, by our tradition, is a month which is particularly suited for refuah, for healing. It's the month when the man began to fall in the desert, the man which infused our bodies and nourished our bodies and kept us strong and whole and healthy in the desert. The month of Iyar is particularly suited for refuah. Perhaps by refraining from Lashon Hara, by making that commitment, we will strengthen both the unity and singularity of our people to fend off whatever needs to be fend off, and we will also strengthen the family of humanity by strengthening our own humanity and by strengthening the bonds between us. And in doing so, perhaps HaKadosh Baruch Hu will see fit to bring a refuah to all those who need it at this time. Good Shabbos.